Hi, I'm Ben and this is my partner Shatika. This is our cute little dog Lola, and we've recently built with Summit and we've just absolutely loved the process.
So we built a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home based off the Australiana, which was one of the Summit display homes, and we customised it based on our block and our needs.
So we've been in the home coming up to 2 years now, and we just absolutely love how many windows there are in the home and how much natural light there is. We particularly chose this design because of all the windows at the front, which lets all the beautiful natural light and warmth into the home.
But I love the skillion roof in this home. I think it really makes the house from the front but then all the way through.
And the other main thing that we love about the home is the kitchen. That was really a central part of the design. We both absolutely love food and have recently started a catering business, so the kitchen's just absolutely amazing for us to test out new creations in there. Our sales consultant was very patient. I think we made changes over the course of at least 6 months, just really wanting to make sure we got the design perfect for us.
Our site supervisor was fantastic throughout the whole process, and we got regular updates, and his attention to detail was just amazing.
I really loved using the at-home portal. I think I used it nearly every day at work on my lunch break, just continually looking things and making sure everything was perfect. We would definitely recommend building with Summit. They were absolutely amazing. We've not built with anyone else before, but we really love the experience, and it's just so amazing living in this home and entertaining guests in our massive open kitchen. It's just an absolute dream.